Yeah, it's Sunday, June 14th, and I've finally finished machining on the new LED mirror heatsink. Here's the old one, here's the new one. I can't seem to get as good a polish on the mirrors on this as I did on this. Actually, the parabolic part is actually 70-75, which seems to take a polish better than the 60-61, and definitely whatever this stuff is. I don't know what it is. It's the cheap flashing sheet, 10 thousandths thick, that you can get at the hardware stores. I can always try harder later. Man, I've been machining this like I don't know, 2 or 3 weeks already. I'll have to go over my records to find out. And of course I still have to mount the LEDs in it. It turned out pretty cool. I kind of like this one better though. I'm hoping this one works just fine. But I'm thinking maybe the low power LEDs, and only 4 of them, might not be as effective as I would like. So this one has 8 high power LEDs, so it's probably like, I don't know, 10 times as much light. And this thing weighs, I'd guess like 3 times as much. It looks pretty cool though. They both do.